Model, 2014 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI Mark 8350 long wheelbase, spares OR repair ENIGINE is knocking grin. Body, white, panel van, crew cab. Mileage, 109,399. MOT, 21 June 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,